हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू आवर फन इंग्लिश क्लास। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट, लेट्स मीट अ लिटिल गर्ल नेम्ड हेली. She went on an exciting vacation. Look, Haley is in New York City, the city of tall buildings, yellow taxis, and yummy ice cream. Haley says, I visited New York with my family. It is a lovely place. There are many tall buildings. I bought new things like blue shoes, a colorful pencil case, and a stylish dress. Can you spot the describing words? Words like lovely, tall, new, blue, colorful, and stylish are describing words. Describing words help us talk more about people, places, or things. Look at these blue shoes. What color are they? Blue. Blue tells us more about the shoes. It is a describing word. And these are tall buildings. Tall tells us how the buildings look. It is another describing word. Activity. Let's do this activity together. We will now find the describing words in the sentences. I live in a big house. What word tells us about the house? Big. So big is a describing word. This is a beautiful bird. How is the bird beautiful? So beautiful is a describing word. I have a cute dog at my house. How is the dog? Cute. So cute is a describing word. Let's do one more fun and exciting activity. Look at these pictures. They need some describing words to come alive. Let's help them out by choosing the right word from the box. Ready? What color are the shoes? Brown. So we say brown shoes. What kind of sweater is this? Woolen. It's soft and warm. It's a woolen sweater. What color is this fast car? Green. It's a green car. This bag is cute and colorful. What color is it? Pink. Well done, it's a pink bag. What about this big t-shirt? It looks roomy, spacious. Yes, it's a spacious t-shirt. You all are awesome adjective detectives. वाओ बच्चों, आपने तो कमाल कर दिया। अगर मजा आया तो लाइक करो वीडियो को और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना हमारे चैनल को, ताकि हम मिलते रहे नए नए लेसन्स के साथ। बाय बाय बच्चों।